Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. Today I would like to invite you to crochet a beautiful lacy mesh sweater, and this sweater is perfect for beginners. I will use only basic crochet stitches, single crochet and double crochet stitches, and the construction is super easy as well. I will use only the rectangles, and the sweater will be crocheted as a one piece, so the seamless sweater crocheted from down to top as a one big rectangle. The rectangle will be also the back panel, and two rectangles for the front panel. We will join the back and front panel on the shoulders, and then we will continue crocheting the sleeves. You can customize it, make the sleeves longer or shorter, or without sleeves like a vest. I would like to use buttons for the closure, or you can make small strings and tie them. And which yarn I chose for this project? I'm so excited to use Parrot. It's a premium yarn, premium acrylic yarn, and it has 50 grams and 133 meters, which is 145 yards. So it's 100% acrylic, machine washable, and with eco text. And this color is 6820, and I will also use Parrot white color. This is color 1000, and I would like to combine, I would like to mix it with Oli Baby, which is also acrylic yarn. This is number 21, and there are more colors: the white, the green, like green peas, the yellow, and the light blue. And in one ball there are 100 grams, 210 meters. And I already tried this skein for the pillow cover for the back side, and I'm so excited with these colors. It's so cheerful and playful. So I tried this yarn and I'm so satisfied. And this one is new for me, but I think they will go together perfectly. Of course, you can choose any color you like. You can make the sweater with acrylic yarn, or cotton acrylic, or cotton linen, or any combination, and of course the color you like. And the construction is super easy. As I mentioned, there are rectangles. What's really important to measure the width and crochet it from down to top, one big rectangle. So back and front panels together. Once you reach the armholes, we will stop crocheting and continue working only on the back panel, and then I will rejoin a new yarn and create the front panel on the left side and on the right side, and then join the panels on the shoulders. Then into the armholes we will rejoin the new yarn and continue working on the sleeves. So very easy. And I would like to have stripes on the sweater. The main color will be this green one, and between green stripes I will use the white color and the multicolor with the lacy pattern. So it will be really fresh and very airy, light, perfect for warm springtime or the summertime, especially for summer evenings. And it's a great project for beginners because it will be really quick. I think you will manage it during the week or weekend. So guys, now I will show you how to make the gauge to test the width and the length, and of course your tension, and how to set up the number of stitches for the first row. You will need a multiple of 6 to make this mesh pattern. So yeah, counting will be also easy. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. You can reach me also on my other social media. I'll give you the QR codes at the end of this video as always. So guys, now let's get started. I will show you the construction and then the gauge. My video tutorials are on my Hero profile account, Crochet with Love. There are many video tutorials already, and also the written patterns in PDF, so you can download them very easily. So guys, this is it. Let's get started and wish you very happy crocheting and a beautiful summer springtime. Bye bye. So let me quickly show you the skeins in detail. So this is Oli Baby. It's a 100% acrylic yarn. In one ball there are 210 meters, and Parrot. The green color I chose as a main color for my sweater, and there are 50 grams in one ball and 133 meters. I will work with crochet hook 4 millimeters. You will need a pair of scissors, sewing needle, some stitch markers, and of course a tape measure for measuring the length and the width of our gauge. First of all, let me show you the construction. It's super easy. There are 4 parts at the bottom, 2 for the back panel and 1 and 1 for front panels, one on the right side and one on the left side. We will crochet from bottom up, create one big rectangle, and once you reach to the armholes, you will continue crocheting only on the back panel. Regarding the stripes, I will crochet green stripes and between them a mesh pattern. The white, then the multicolor with puff stitches or the clusters, then V stitches or small diamonds, white diamonds, and then green color. Okay, and the pattern will continue row by row. So again, there a row with double crochet clusters, green row, and then a row with white V stitches or diamonds, then a green row or stripe, and the clusters. Okay, I will show you how to make the neck opening. Again, it will be an rectangle, and the stripes the same as on the back panel, the same one on front panels. Okay, I will join the shoulders to create the armholes. So you will work in rows, back and forth, bottom up, join the shoulders, create armholes, and then continue with sleeves. The front panels are the same, only the pattern is mirroring from the center. So this is the gauge we will create with 2 repetitions to measure the width and of course the length. Let's have a look on front. So it's a rectangle, sleeves. You can customize the sleeves, make them shorter, decreasing if you want. And you see the rectangle, neck opening and straight construction. Super easy. And also the stitches which I will use are easy. We will start with a foundation chain. It must be a multiple of 6 plus 4. In my sample I will crochet 16 stitches. Of course you can crochet more for your gauge. Just add 6 or more stitches. It must be a multiple of 6 plus 4. There are 3 green rows at the beginning and then a romantic diamond pattern. I chose white color for this pattern. I think it's really romantic and beautiful, and this pattern will be nice, airy and lacy. So I will crochet small diamonds. For this pattern you need to know how to join 2 double crochet stitches together, chain 2 and then again 2 doubles together, and I will skip 2 double crochet stitches between these small diamonds. Then you will crochet 3 green rows, the first one with single crochet stitches and the next 2 rows with double crochet stitches, and then I will show you how to crochet the second lacy pattern with clusters. 4 double crochet clusters and chain spaces and double crochet stitches. The detailed video tutorial is already prepared on my Hero account, Crochet with Love. Everything is in very detailed, stitch by stitch and step by step. I will also show you how to crochet the body of the sweater, how to crochet the sleeves, and how to finish everything, how to make the cuffs and the edges. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really love to prepare video tutorials for you and I love your feedbacks. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you very happy crocheting and bye for now. Bye bye!